Hi, I'm Kriyatya Shannon, and welcome to the Fall 2024 Orientation for VCARA. I am Shannon Elise Muir Broden, and I am scheduled to graduate December 2024 with my MLIS degree. I have been a student member of VCARA since spring of 2023. For a bit of VCARA history, it was created in 2009 by Dr. Pat Franks. Originally designed for Mara students, it is now open to all iSchool students, as well as alumni, faculty, and staff. 2024 is the 15th anniversary of VCARA, with the Virtual World's Second Life as its headquarters. Today, it is the Virtual Worlds in VR Common Interest Group for the School of Information at San Jose State University. Over the years, VCARA members have held events in Second Life, hosted tours, and for a number of years also hosted an annual conference. They also participate in other virtual conferences like Virtual World's Best Practices in Education, where I've personally presented posters and exhibits, been a host, as well as been on panels. The area we are in now, VCARA's Victorian Village, is the site of my first project for VCARA, the interactive Browning House and Reading Garden. My experiences doing quality assurance for this build became the subject of my first poster presentation for Virtual World's Best Practices in Education. VCARA also gave me the opportunity to be involved in other educational experiences. For example, the Virtual World's Education Consortium sponsors a student challenge. The exhibit housed in this building is the one I built for the challenge and focuses on the history of the communication of information. VCARA also serves as a great way to network professionally. The American Library Association's Association of College and Research Libraries, also known as ACRL, has a Virtual Worlds interest group that regularly meets in Second Life. This group goes on tours to Second Life as well as other virtual worlds, and I have been on some of these. Also, there are opportunities to volunteer with the Virtual Worlds Education Consortium at their information centers. One of them is located in Second Life. There is also a new information center just starting up on the virtual world of Kitely. This also connects to other OpenSim virtual worlds. I currently work with the Community Virtual Library as their directories lead and help maintain the education community and directory of individuals in education that is used by the Information Center. Of course, there's always room for a little fun, with the dance parties happening regularly at the Fantasy Dance Club, a great way to relax and network too. There's great variety in the environments you can be a part of in virtual worlds. In spring of 2024, in this underwater area, I used a mix of items that others built and some that I created to put together this area devoted to librarian and educator self-care and wellness. From SJSU's iSchool Island in Second Life, to the entirety of Second Life, to the metaverse, there is so much to create and explore. Want to find out where going on a journey with VCARA could take you? To learn more about VCARA, how to join and get started, create an avatar in Second Life, as well as how to connect with us on social media, the description below the YouTube video contains all that information, as well as the link to our blog. Thanks for listening, and hope to see you in World.